you're working directly with actors on set, it's important to observe a few rules of conduct to ensure the best working conditions for everyone.
There's some certain hard, fast rules to set etiquette, ranging from not engaging in conversations with actors unless they start the conversation.
Nobody on set speaks to actors unless spoken to. So we have a kind of a 50-foot rule for the majority of the crew. Stay 50 feet away from any actor.
Never approach an actor. It's not your place. If they're actually doing a take, try and be as far away as possible. The worst thing that you would do would be able to knock that person's concentration by being in their eye line or distracting them anyway.
Respect the actor's emotions and their need for private space. The actor's trailer or dressing room is their private sanctuary, so don't barge in on them. If you have to speak to them, know their names and avoid criticism or advice.
Actors are not your best friends. Acting is a very difficult and demanding profession. It takes the utmost amount of concentration. It can be a little overwhelming seeing some of the most famous people in the world, and yet they're there to do a job, you're there to do a job, and hopefully you're there to do the same job, which is going to end up in a product that you're all proud of.